Hello everyone, I'm Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll take you through a very easy peasy balcony makeover, but without compromising on style and look. So let's start the process. Also, the vibrant colors used in the makeover makes it festive ready and Diwali appropriate. So this is the before makeover clip of my balcony. There are two walls to work upon. Also, it's a rented home, so I can't drill nails. For first DIY, I am taking two colored brick pattern wallpaper. First color is yellow and second one is blue. I will be making arch shape from both wallpapers. Here I will mark two parallel points and one center point on wallpaper. Then I will cut it in arch shape with free hand. You can use circular plates to make an arch. I chose brick pattern wallpaper for two reasons. First, it looks very aesthetic, and second, it is very easy to apply as compared to plain normal wallpaper. Second DIY is makeover of an old side table. So I have these patterned stickers which I showed you in my Amazon haul video. I will stick 4 of these on this old wooden side table which is 45 years old. Next DIY is this handmade painting. I made this during lockdown period. You can check out my Instagram page for more illustrative painting ideas. I will frame these paintings in white frame. These are very light frames. You can stick them with the help of 3M tape or double-sided tape. So there is one tip which you may already know. While choosing the artwork for a colored background, try choosing a contrast artwork or artwork which contains same color palette. I have used some hand-painted terracotta pots, and you can find video of same on my channel. So here is the final reveal.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.